another quick tip. It seems like every week we get phone calls about pressure, water pressure inside the house, whether it be flow or water pressure. And a lot of times what we'll recommend is go to Lowe's or Home Depot hardware store and pick up a pressure gauge. These are very inexpensive, just a couple of dollars. And go to an outside hose bib coming out of the brick wall of your house. Just screw that on. And then turn the water on and read the pressure. And that'll give you a good indication of what pressure is coming in, because remember, the hose bib or water faucet outside does not go through the water softener. So that gives us a true indication of what the city of San Antonio or what your well or whoever your water provider is giving you pressure inside the house. Then we can determine where your problem is. A, which is just low water pressure, or B, something is reducing it. Again, it can be a pressure regulator valve, or it actually could be inside the water softener. And if you give us a call, we could remind you, or you could look at our other video of how to put the water softener in bypass with the two handles back here. And we're just trying to isolate the problem and figure out where the pressure loss is coming from. Could be your irrigation system is going at the exact same time you're getting up for a morning shower in the morning, and that's drawing a lot of water, and then you're trying to use water inside the house. So it could be multiple things, but if you reach out and give us a call and let us know what your pressure is coming into the house, we can coach you a little bit and maybe save you a service call, or if you want us to, we'll come on out and take a look at it for you. Thank you.